Hi there, students. To fidget. To fidget. Okay, to fidget is to move around nervously or impatiently. It's a way the body unconsciously expresses that it's bored or nervous or restless. Fidgeting, agitated, impatient movements. Okay, it's expressing boredom by continual motion. Maybe you could fiddle with something, play with something. You could fidget with your pen. So a good teacher notices when his class is fidgeting and understands that they are bored and needs to change what's happening. Young kids find it very hard to concentrate and they tend to fidget, move around, not be able to sit still. Okay, so during a long, boring lecture, people tend to fidget. If it's really interesting, people are concentrating, they don't really fidget. But when their mind starts to wander, that's when they start to fidget. Okay, so to fidget, to twitch nervously, always moving around and not really being able to sit still. You could even have an attack of the fidgets, okay, to fidget, not to be able to just sit still in place and concentrate. Okay, this verb to fidget is a regular verb. He fidgeted all through the lesson. They have fidgeted all day. Next question, formality. I would say this is neutral. I would definitely use to fidget in an informal conversation. I think it fits in something semi-formal and even something very formal as well. So it's nice and flexible. It comes from the Old English word fidge, to twitch. To twitch. And maybe this is related to a Norse word, fidja, which means to move briskly, to be eager or restless. So the restless part, very definitely. So please sit still and stop fidgeting. Just sit still and concentrate. But the students would sit still and concentrate and they wouldn't fidget if the lesson was interesting. So, to fidget, to twitch, to express your boredom subconsciously by just continual motion and just different movements. Okay? So there you go, to fidget. To move around. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To Fidget.